Good morning, my lovely students. I'm really proud of you all because you were all amazing in the exam. Today we are going to correct the exam. Okay? Exercise 1. In this exercise, I want you to observe this human skeleton. In number 1, you are going to label the parts of the lower limb. Only the lower limb, the parts 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 is the thigh bone, 2 is the knee bone, 3 is the leg bones or two leg bones, and 4 the foot bone. In number 2, you are going to name two bones found in the trunk, any two bones. You can name, for example, scapula and pelvis. In number 3, you are going to name two bones found in the upper limbs. You can name hand bone, wrist bone. Okay? You can also name any other two bones found in the upper limb. In number 4, you are going to define the skeleton. The skeleton is a set of bones of the human body. The functions of the skeleton has a system of support and a system of protection. In number 6, you are going to name the three parts of the human skeleton. Pay attention, the three parts of the skeleton. Parts of our body, which are head, trunk, and limbs. Limbs يلي هني upper and lower limbs. Okay? In number 7, you are going to complete the sentences. The skeleton is made up of 206 bones. The skull protects the brain. The vertebral column protects the spinal cord. The heart and lungs are protected by the rib cage. In number 8, you have to answer by true or false and correct the false statements. Part A. The skull is found in the upper limbs. Of course, it's false because the skull is found in the head. B. The neck connects the head to the trunk. It's true. Part C. The three groups of skeletal bones are head, trunk, and limbs, which skeletal bones are different from parts of the skeleton. Okay, parts of the skeleton are head, trunk, limbs. فيكم تصححوها بهاي الطريقة. Or the three groups of skeletal bones. شو هن ال groups of bones are the skull, rib cage, and vertebral column. Now let's go to exercise 2. In exercise 2, you have to choose the intruder and then justify. First, we have horse, earthworm, rabbit, and cat. The earthworm is the intruder because it's an invertebrate and all the other animals are vertebrates. Butterfly, starfish, ant, and goat. Goat is the intruder because it's a vertebrate and all the other animals are invertebrate. In number 2, you have to define this term and give an example. An example means one example only is enough. Vertebrates are the animals that have a skeleton and a vertebral column. Example, horse.